Here I sit behind a port wine glass. New car outside and not a drop of gas. Nothing down and 3 years to pay. Sounded like a pretty good deal the other day.
I got a new car. I got a new car. I got a new car. But I'm broke as I can be.
Since I wrote on that dotted line, I haven't been able to sufficiently dine. Toothpicks and soup ain't much of a meal, and $144 a month ain't much of a deal.
I got a new car. I got a new car. I got a new car. But I'm broke as I can be.
I've had my car a little over a week, and already it's beginning to rattle and squeak. And what little money I runs across goes in my gas tank and out my exhaust.
I got a new car. I got a new car. I got a new car. But I'm broke as I can
It's a shame to let the man come and take it back. My old lady tried to tell me not to get a Cadillac. Next time I buy a car, I'm gonna get one that I can afford. And when I say afford, I mean afford.